Hey, welcome back to the channel. For those who are new, my name is NESHA, and for those who already been here, what a do, baby boo. We are stepping into a new season. Yes, it's Aquarius time. So this is the first look for the Aquarius. Yes, my little water sign. Are y'all water sign? I don't know. When I think of Aquarius, I think of the ocean. Is that just me? I don't know. But anyway, I feel like the palette thought the same thing too for this zodiac sign, because a lot of my Aquarius palettes have a lot of blues in them. So anywho, we're going to be doing a look using the Sheglam Aquarius palette. And if you guys want to see what she looks like, y'all going to have to wait for the tutorial, okay? Because I ain't showing you all that, okay? So for my Aquarius, show up, show out, okay? Go ahead and represent inside the comments down at the bottom, okay? But anywho, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then of course, keep on watching. Alright, so it is Aquarius season now. So happy birthday to all of my Aquarius. I'm gonna tell y'all a little story as I get ready. So first of all, you already seen we're using Sheglam palette. Yes, okay, she's cute. Give you guys another little sneak peek at what she looks like. Okay, what I noticed from this palette compared to the other one that I used for the Capricorn, it's a lot of mattes in here, and in this black eyeshadow right here in the corner, I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up, but it has like a weird texture to it. It looks velvety. I'm just curious now. What? No, she's in my black. So it's only honestly maybe 2 shades that's metallic-ish. Definitely this one. Okay, and then this, I think, no, she got matte. Okay, so it's only one metallic shade. So I think this might be a pattern where they have like one like metallic shade in here. Well, it's like the shape. How can I describe it? Let me find the other one. Like, I don't know what that shape is, the oval. They had it in this one too. Oh no. Oh, y'all know what the hell I'm saying. Let me shut up. I didn't realize there's another one over here, but this was matte. So it's only one metallic in this palette, so it's gonna be a matte blue look. I hope it comes out cute. You already seen it because y'all seen the intro, so I don't know what's going on. We shall see. Okay, where's my brushes? I always do this. I'm so annoyed by myself. I always do this before I push record. I need to stop doing this. So before I hop into this palette, I'm gonna apply my brow bone highlight. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the shade of blue. This one is called Unpredictable. So, okay, so let me read about y'all right here on the side of the palette. Okay, so Aquarius. It says, your thirst for knowledge allows you to find answers from unique angels. While thinking is your thing, be careful not to overthink. It can prevent you from enjoying the present moment. Okay, so let me tell you my story about Aquarius, okay? Nothing to do with Aquarius females. This is all about Aquarius males, okay? Y'all, I've dated 2 Aquarius in my life, but that last one I dated, I told myself I would never ever date another Aquarius. And I'm not even like big on like zodiac, but it was something about him. I think it's because he was very big on zodiac signs too. We just did not mix. I don't even think I had anything to do with zodiac. We just didn't mix because of his spirit, my spirit. Okay, my spirit is very kind, loving. That's what I tend to lean towards more. I do got a spicy side about me. I feel like everybody does though. But this dude was like such a con artist. Like, I don't know who, what in hell, why did I find this dude? But I did find him on a dating site, so I have to remember that. So my intentions on how I found it was not good. I was desperate, and I should have just humbly waited patiently for God to send me who is sent to me in my life now. So whoa, that's all I'm gonna leave it at. I'm gonna leave it at that. But after experiencing with him, I was like, I would never in my life date another Aquarius ever. So alright, so I now am going to blend out this blue. I'm gonna go with this light shade. I'm gonna take her. And another big thing I noticed with me dating like Aquarius people, and I think this is in general because I have a few cousins who are Aquarius. Y'all like to disappear. Y'all can go Casper the Ghost real quick. No warning signs, like nothing. It's just like, whoop, I can't be heard from so-so. No, I ain't heard from so-so. No, so-so. Y'all are known for going Casper the Ghost real quick. Like, y'all don't have no care in the world on who it affect. Y'all just like, I'm gone. Like, I just needed time for myself. And y'all have no, like, what's the word? Y'all don't explain why I disappeared. I just disappeared, came back like nothing happened. Or somebody got disappeared and never come back. That's what my ex did. Never came back. Went cold turkey on me, y'all. We were supposed to go on a date and I had somewhere to be for that day. So, you know, just checking in with him throughout the day, blah, blah, blah. So when it came time for me to meet him, I text him, you know, give him a call, let him know, hey, I'll be there around like 5-10 minutes. I was like, okay, he must be in the shower. I gave him a couple more, you know, some minutes. Called him again, didn't pick up. I'm like, this fool, he must got drunk, fell asleep, because that's the type of dude he was. So I was like, let me call again. Because I'm like, how did he, we were just talking not too long ago. Like literally, like we had just got off the phone about a good like 45 minutes. I'm like, how are you like not answering now? So I done made every excuse in the book. And then after 2 hours went by, I immediately got pissed. I knew what he was doing. I was like, oh no, he ain't finna go ghost on me again. Y'all, he went ghost on me again. And that was the last time I ever heard anything about this dude. Now y'all wonder, I know, y'all probably wonder, he might be dead. He ain't. I peeped on his social media probably about a good like maybe 2 months after he had disappeared, because I had no access to his account because he claimed he didn't have social media. But girl, let me show you how God works in mysterious ways. I'm on Facebook minding my own business, and then you know how it shows like people you may know? It's his icon picture. I'm like, okay, maybe this is an old page, because he told me he didn't have social media. Now he was active on there, faithfully. So no, home dude was not dead. He just played me. And we're gonna leave it at that. So ever since then, I was like, you know what? I am never, ever, 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 ever going to talk to Aquarius man ever again. So when I would meet people, I was like, before we can talk, before I even know your name, what's your sign? Are you Aquarius? Because if you're Aquarius, we're gonna nip this in the butt. And then the last dude I talked to before this one, who was Aquarius, look, we're gonna leave it at that, okay? Anywho, let's focus on this look, okay? So the blues are looking good, okay? So I'm giving y'all ocean vibes all day, every day. But I definitely want to deepen up my outer just a little bit. I thought this blue was gonna be like really deep, but it's not. So I'm gonna take that black shade right there, and then we're gonna pop it right in the outer. And I'm gonna gradually just grab a little at a time, because I really don't want this to be like a very noticeable black. Kind of want it to appear like a really dark blue. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Alright, so I'm going to do the other eye and then cut my crease off camera so we can apply some more beautiful shades onto the lid. Alrighty, so crease is cut. We're now going to move along. I'm going to take this green. This green is like been eyeing me. I think I'm going to put this all over the lid area. I was going to put that silver, but I felt like that was going to look too similar to a look that I did not too long ago. So yeah, I don't think I even posted that tutorial up yet. No, I haven't, because nope, I haven't. But y'all see what I'm talking about when I it should be up by next week. I'm just taking that blue. I'm gonna leave a little bit of that inner part remaining. I want to pop another shade on that area. Alright, so I want to take that first dark blue that I used in my crease. Just gonna pop it towards the outer. Alright, and then put a little bit of that black towards the outer. I'm gonna add a little bit of my glitter glue, and then we're gonna pop that right in the opening remaining part of my inner tear duct. And I am now going to go for the only metallic in here, and that's that pretty like silver shade. I got they two look together, so I definitely feel like this is going to bring the look together. Alright, so I am now going to do the rest of my eye. So let me do the rest of my face, liner, and all that good stuff, and I'll be right back. Alright, so quick lip combo. Going in with my NYX pencil. Alright, so I'm going in with the old school lipstick. This is the Barbie lipstick from the ColourPop and Barbie collection. This is what she looks like. And this one was called Dream House. Alright, then we're going to gloss her up with Miss Riri. Alright, Alright, so this completes the look. I really do hope you guys liked and enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. She's cute. Quality, bomb. This lip combo with this eye, bomb. So I hope my Aquarius, I hope you guys are feeling today's look. Definitely go ahead and show out. Represent yourself. Leave me a comment down the bottom if you are Aquarius and you are feeling this look. Even if you're not Aquarius, go ahead, leave me a comment. Let me know how you feel about this look. Anywho, you guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, stay amazing. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.